In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a campaign on Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to go from a blank account screen to a fully designed email campaign that's ready to send or schedule. First, log into your Mailerlite account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. This is your main hub for all one-off email broadcasts. At the top right of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Campaign. Click that to start a brand new campaign. Next, Mailerlite will ask you to choose your campaign type. A regular campaign is the standard option for most newsletters and announcements. You might also see options like A/B split or RSS, which are useful for testing different versions or sending automatic updates from a blog feed. But if you're just starting out, regular is usually the best choice. You'll then choose your editor. The drag and drop editor is the most user-friendly and visual, letting you build your email by stacking content blocks. You can also pick a simple rich text editor for more minimal designs, or custom HTML if you or your team are coding the email yourself. Let's assume you choose the drag and drop editor. On the left, you'll see content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social media icons. Drag these blocks into your email and drop them where you want them to appear. Click on each block to customize the text, colors, fonts, and spacing. You can also use one of Mailerlite's templates as a starting point, or save your own design as a template for future campaigns. Take your time here to add your actual email copy, images, and branding so the message looks and sounds like you. Once your design looks good, you'll fill in the campaign details. Start with an internal campaign name. This is just for your own reference inside Mailerlite. Then add the subject line that your subscribers will see in their inbox. Enter your sender name and sender email so people recognize who the email is from, and write a short pre-header, which is the preview text that appears next to the subject line in most email clients. After that, choose your recipients by selecting the contact groups or segments you want this campaign sent to. Before you send anything, always preview and test. Use the preview and test option to see how the email looks on desktop and mobile. Then send a test email to yourself. Open it on a couple of different devices if you can, and check for broken links, typos, or layout issues. When you're happy with everything, click Done Editing. You'll see a summary of your campaign details, recipients, and design. Double-check that all of this looks correct. Finally, decide whether to send your campaign right away or schedule it for later. You can choose a specific date and time, and if your plan allows, you can even use time zone-based sending to reach people at a local time that makes sense for them. After you confirm your choice, Mailerlite will take care of the rest, and your campaign is officially set up and ready to go.